have a real life hater. Like, a fashion emergency, right? Kung Fu Panda. I'm not better. We have a fashion emergency. Actually, ये emergency मैंने खुद create करी है. Let me explain. So, मेरे को कुछ custom make करवाना है because मेरे पास एक idea आया to make like an Indian wear type का waistcoat and I came across this material जो मेरा वाइट लहंगे के ब्लाउज में मैंने यूज करा था पिछले साल एंड ये उसका रिमेनिंग मटेरियल बचा हुआ था. इट्स लिटरली सो प्रिटी, राइट? लाइक द थॉट ऑफ हाउ इट विल टर्न आउट इज सो एक्साइटिंग. तो आई जस्ट होप कि जिस बुटीक पे मैं जाके बनवाने का सोच रही हूँ दे डिलीवर एंड आई नीड दिस टू बी डन इन लाइक 2 days. So basically परसों तक this should be ready made in my hands and we're going to be using this too. It's going to be so pretty. I've switched to my camera. I need my metro card and this. That's all. Khatam what's in my bag. And sunscreen. Obviously the sun is out, which is not a common sight on this channel, so I'm going to be using Aqualogica's Glow Plus Infused Water Sunscreen with SPF 50 PA++++. Aqualogica is actually the first Indian brand to come up with a water-based sunscreen. So first we need to shake it well before we use it. Oh my god, look, the texture is like so watery. It feels literally so light on the skin. It also did not leave any white cast, like the residue, you know. I'm literally impressed by this because there are so many international brands that make like water-based sunscreen, but they are बहुत expensive. So this is perfect actually. And they also, this sunscreen also comes in like a infused tinted version. So this sunscreen is like best for that no makeup look. You guys know मेरे को वैसे भी cakey makeup ऐसा पसंद नहीं है. So you guys can definitely check both of these out and you can use my code Mika2024 to get a 20% off on the products tag. These are also available on Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa. Okay, thank you for listening. Let's go. परसों तक it will be done. I am so excited. Pinterest is such a blessing. Like सब कुछ मिल जाता है and it can come to life just like that. Also मैं अभी नानी घर आई हूँ. क्या?
फ्रेश ऑक्सीजन लीजिए वहाँ बैठ के.
नानी ने रिसेंटली अपनी बालकनी एक्सटेंड कराई है एंड शी इज ऑब्सेस्ड विद प्लांट्स एंड फ्लावर्स. लुक सो प्रिटी. नानी कहती ग्रीन हाउस में बैठ जा. द ब्रीज. Feeling very main character right now. One thing about me, I love autos. The guy is not here right now, तो अभी मैं यहाँ पे बात कर रही हूँ. Started happening when you walked away. So that's why I stay. I just feel salty for some reason. पता नहीं क्यों. See, we're distracting ourselves. Let's talk about a room update. So, like you guys know that इस रूम में कुछ भी हटेगा भी ना, अगर स्टूल इधर का उधर भी होगा ना, I'm gonna tell you guys. So let's talk about the evolution of this room. Okay. So पहले यहाँ पे in my room tour वाला video you will see ऊपर एक bunk bed था and ये दोनों beds जो है ये twin beds की तरह बने थे, so they were separate. And that was because मिनहाज पहले यहाँ रहता था, अब वो दूसरे रूम में. ये बेड्स कंबाइन हो गए, बट स्टिल ऊपर वाले बंक बेड पे जाने के लिए देयर वर स्टेयर्स, लाइक बहुत बड़ी स्टेयर्स थी जिसमें स्टोरेज थी, ठीक है. एंड वो स्टेयर्स यहाँ होती थी. And now they're gone. What we have here is a monumental piece of art.
अच्छा.
Which
ठीक है.
promotes sustainability.
ठीक है, समझ गया.
Because मम्मा से ज़्यादा recycling दिमाग किसी में नहीं है. I present to you the recycled stairs. Oh my god. In the first drawer we have my college bag. In the second drawer we have mama ki jewelry, so we're not going to open that because I don't have the permission, so I don't want to die. The third drawer is the secret drawer, and I especially cannot show it to you guys because it's dedicated to you. Like isme I'm collecting some amazing cool stuff to give to you when I hit 50k subscribers.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है, ये बात है.
So let's make it quick. Then last drawer में a bag. These headphones जो शायद खराब है but मैंने रखे हुए हैं, पता नहीं क्यों. Sunglasses. Then बहुत cool चीजें. Kung Fu Panda. It doesn't get cooler than Kung Fu Panda. Which reminds me, Kung Fu Panda 4 is coming. Minions. And these are just some of them. Yeah, I think 7th or 8th class mein, I was so crazy about Minions. I had everything Minion. Minion hanky, Minion mugs. पूरी मेरी computer screen पे मैंने Minion के printouts काट के चिपकाए थे border पे. This could so easily be a Pinterest background, but why are my windows so dirty? ये सब ये कबूतरों की गलती है. होली आने वाली है राइट, एंड होली से क्या रिलेटेड होता है? गुजिया. मेरी वर्कआउट मोटिवेशन आ गई रिफत, मेरी वर्कआउट मोटिवेशन आ गई. चाशनी वाली नहीं है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग मुझे चाशनी की जरूरत है, बट इट वुड हैव बीन नाइस. आई हैड बेटर. दिस इज लाइक अ 2-1 गुजिया. अच्छी नहीं लग रही लेकिन खाए जा रही हूँ.
अच्छा.
I'm like the water when the ship rolled in that night. If it was an open shut case, whatever you say about, that's my man. Life was a blue and it bent right to your wind.
Why was I not told that Willow had so many feels? So many. I've listened to this probably 100 times this week and मैं अभी तक irritate नहीं हुई हूँ, which is a new level.
ठीक है, समझ गया.
तो वो ट्रेडिशनल डे टाइप्स होगा.
उसमें 3:30 से 5 बजे तक का टाइम है अपने पास.
कहाँ पे होगा?
एम्फी में होगा. समझ नहीं आ रहा. मेरे पति क्या सोचा था.
कॉलेज में जो बेसिकली एनुअल फेस्ट आ रहा है उसी का बिल्ड अप के लिए कुछ एक्टिविटीज होती रहती है. सो उसी की वो है मीटिंग. आई जस्ट पुट दिस ऑन माई ब्रॉडकास्ट. I thought I'd vlog it too. I have a real life hater. Like, I'm not going to do anything about it because obviously I'm just going to ignore them even if I see them. But it's just so exciting. She's in the same college as me, so she obviously has guts to, expose her identity like that, litter around from her main account. I mean, but I'm just happy about this.
A few moments later.
I have successfully completed today's to-do. Yay! Made tomorrow's to-do. And I also started editing this video, which I'm so excited to edit. I don't know why. Ow! Like I did start editing it. But it is also 1 AM. Also subscribe. Bye! Wait, no. Good night.